Good morning guys, David here on Sunshine Acres. So you can see behind me here we've got our mini excavator that we picked up from the port of Brisbane that we ordered on Alibaba. There's a video about to drop on the process on ordering that, but for today we're just unboxing, so hang on and we'll go and have a look at it. 1.2 ton excavator. It's come in a box that's approximately 2.8 meters long. It's 1600 high and about 1100 wide. Our plan is to unbox it and drive it straight off the trailer here. You can see we've brought it up nice and hard against our loading ramp. We might put a couple of boards on there. So I think our first thing to do is get the lid off and let's have a look inside. It's quite amazing how thin this ply is, that it can come all the way from the other side of the world and get here quite safe. A little bit of a mission. So let's get some tools and get it opened up and work out how we're going to get it off this into the shed. So our first step is to get the lid off. I don't have many tools on me. I might have to go up to the other property and get some. Let's see if we can just brute force this off. A proggy bar would probably be really good. I think this is going to do the job. They use so many nails on these things. Well, look at that. It's all very shiny. Alright, so we just got a little bit of timber over there holding it on. And we can throw this lid straight on the ground. Alright, what do we got in here? Little seat looks hard. I think we're going to need to tighten some bolts here, to be expected. There's our throttle and our controls. Now, did we get any of our attachments? Yes, we've got a bucket down there and a ripper. So that's great, and that's a tilt bucket. That's pretty much all we ordered. Didn't go crazy this time. Alright, well, let's keep getting all the boxes off. What I decided to do is run the angle grinder over all these metal brackets rather than pulling them out and having nails everywhere. Yes, the grinder definitely made that a lot easier. Oops. Now, because of the nails, we're not going to burn this timber. We're just going to take it to the dump. I'm also told that it can be treated. Alright, look at that guy. Looks pretty neat. You can see our little oil cooler in the back there. Our little coop inside. Track tensioners. Tracks look pretty standard. What are they? 180 by 72 by 37. Pretty standard little track. There's the tilting hitch, the ripper, and the rake. That's all I ordered, so everything's here. Oh, and the little quick hitch in the back here, which I don't know much about. All in all, it looks pretty good. I mean, this is a $4,000 plus import fees machine. You know, it's nothing special. Let's have a look inside our little toolkit. What did we get here today? Look at that, spare air filter. Some stickers. Obviously safety stickers. And the usual parts. I'm guessing that's some kind of fuel filter. Some bolts to put the canopy on, and a bag of grease. But I won't be using that grease because I will be using the usual Castrol. This is probably one of the cheapest machines you can buy. Alright, so let's have a little quick look at the engine. We've got our 2 pumps. There's our fuel tank. It's a little tiny coupe. I wonder if it's got fuel in it. I'm assuming it has oil in it. There's the oil